Hello guys, welcome to my channel English Both Dil Se. I hope you are enjoying and now I am really hope because I have made over 100 video for you for my audience and I am sure you are keep growing. If you are not growing then I really can't do that. I really can't do that because if you are not able to growing, look, I am making this content every day till my last breath. I will make a content, okay? I will make a content till my last breath. So it's up to you that you really want to improve your life, you really want to break this scenario, you really want to break this loop, okay? That what I'm telling you, the loop of poverty, the loop of infrastructure, the loop of always saying that you really have no money, the loop have the loop that you really don't want to you discuss, okay? I'm really telling you, so it's up to you. It's totally up to you. It's cool. It's very cool that if you just swear that you will not grow, you will never follow my pattern, you will never follow my path. It's totally, it's your life. Make your decision, okay? No problem. So, yes, first of all, so if you just now here you can see that I wrote some sentence and there are some sentence and there are some meaning and okay, and now we just make a essay and paragraph, okay? Give a wide breath. It's about a very unwanted situation is come, okay? A very unwanted situation come, okay? And now you really want to give away a wide breath. You really want to now give away a wide breath. You don't want to see consequences. You really don't want to see consequences, okay? So now it's up to you because you really don't want to see. The reality is very harsh. The reality is very hard and it's really hard to accept the truth, okay? So you really want to give away a wide breath for a unwanted situation. Look, there are a lot of unwanted situation in our life, okay? Sometime you really don't want something, you think that this is not necessary, okay? So then what do you think? Just stay away from this thing. Just stay away from this thing because you really don't want to this thing right now, okay? So this is how exactly I am trying to saying you. Give away a cold shoulder. Yes, it's like my content creation. Why I'm making this content creation? So my audience can a very tremendous, hilarious, fantabulous English speaker. I really want that my each and every student speak a very brutal English like no one else. This look, I am slowly I am speaking. I am speaking one word that you can listen each and every word. Yes, just listen and care each and every word. That's why I am telling slowly, okay? So give a cold shoulder. Now you are it's if you ignore this content, just tell me in a comment box how many content creation you are seeing that making a video in English. Just tell me in a comment box. Then we will decide what we should do, okay? Just tell me in a comment box that how many content creator making whole content in English. They all will learn you, they all will teach you in a Hindi to English. Always just because, and look, it will take a lot of time. It will take a lot of time. So if you have 200 or 300 years in this life, then you can do whatever you want to do. But if you really want to change your life quickly, then just follow my channel and just listen to my each and every word very carefully and watch my look every day. Just practice 15 or 20 minutes every day. Just practice 15 or 20 minutes. Watch my content and just practice yourself at least 10 minutes. In a 6 month, you gonna see result. In a 6 month, you will see the magic. Okay, this is how simple. Okay, otherwise, God only can help you. I never met God and I never didn't saw any of God, but people say so. I am telling you, only God helps you. Give somebody enough rope. Give somebody enough rope. It's about you are giving permission to someone that you can do it. Okay, you have some kind of authority, you have some kind of position, you have a management, you have a powerful management. So now you are giving order to someone that you can do it. You can deny any letter, you can tear any letter, but you really can do anything. Okay, I'm telling you can do anything. So give somebody enough rope. Give somebody enough rope. I mean, you can give permission to anyone, anything. Give somebody enough rope. Give the devil due. Give the devil due. It's about you are praising someone, okay, and you don't think he is suitable for this thing, okay. I mean, you are praising someone and you really don't think that he can afford it. He really can afford it, okay. So give the devil due. It's about you are praising a very bad human being. Okay, this is I am telling you. I mean, look, everyone has a talent. I'm telling you, everyone has a talent. You just have to recognize it. You just have to recognize the talent. Otherwise, everyone has a talent. Everyone is a genius. Everyone is a supreme. Everyone is some kind of God particles. Everyone. You just have to recognize things. Okay? Look, guys, I really want to do everything in my whole life. Whole life, I really want to do everything, everywhere, anywhere. Okay? This is who I am. This is exactly I am. And I am a very, very simple person with a very, very high expectation, with a very, very low expectation. I mean, you can easily define that as zero. I mean, yes, you can define the zero. Give up the ghost. Give up the ghost. It's about if you have just seen six. There are 6 or 7 sequence of Wrong Turn, Mr. Texas Chainsaw. I mean, these are some very, very powerful movie which will show you a very, very brutal murder, rape. I mean, these movies show you that some kind of psycho people, some kind of psycho disease people who are actually can be exist or not, who can say. I mean, if you have just seen the wrong turn, then who can say that this kind of human being really can exist? Okay? Who can say that this kind of human being really can exist? So yes, it's a very disturbing movie. It's a very, very disturbing movie. I mean, you really should watch it. You really, really should watch it. This kind of, but look, always just look, being human first. I am telling you the most important thing, being human first. Otherwise, just watch all the wrong turn and all the sequels, all the, but always being human first. Because look, this movie can't bring your honor. Look, guys, it's a very harsh reality. Karma is a bitch. Your intention gonna decide your destiny. Your intention will make your life. Your intention is everything. So always be humble, be grounded, be positive. Okay? So yes, if you are keep growing and learning to my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.